Ja Atongeria bakuma gaitiga kaunti ya Embu MBEERE nibonanitie kurega kunganirwa kwao nuntu bogaibwa kigina kia thirikari. Atongeria baugite thirikari ya kaunti na kinya thirikari nene nibethairwa bakibathurandiria bakuga kigina kia urita mwaniki hatutarire.
Kiumia giki mbunge ya kaunti ya Embu iraina gikaro kia mwanya gia kuthondeka mathabu mauria mbia cia mwingi igikorwa igitumika mbere ya mwaka wa thirikari uthirite mweri wa gatandatu. Guku ambunge akuma mwena wa MBEERE ya kaunti ya Embu makionekanaga matari akenu na mbia ire igairitwe mirandi ngurani mwena uyu. Mutongoria wa aria anini thiini wa mbunge ya kaunti ya Embu niwe Mbaka ni urauga mwena wa MBEERE ni wigitwe nja thiini wa mivango ya uthii wa nambere wa kaunti mwaka uyu. Mbaka arauga kigina kiria kionthe kigairitwe miena ngurani ya kaunti gitingiringanithua na mbia nini iria igairitwe mwena wa MBEERE na ugu kuonania gutire mirandi ya uthii wa nambere igukorwa miena ino.
Totororia budget ino mbeca iria nengeretwe mwena wa governor kana project ile taga flagship project ni ati kwina mbia 366 million iria inengeretwe kiondo giake gia kuga wa mwena na mwena na twaroria tungiroria mwena wa gwetu MBEERE South tunengeretwe 31.5 million, twaroria mwena wa MBEERE North tukona tunengeretwe around 21.1 million. Waroria pesa icio cionthe ira toto tu around 52 million. Ongeroria 52 million out of 366 yone iratungiwa ni unfair distribution of resources.
Mbaka ni urathi na mbere kwerithia mirandi ta barabara, mai na utambia wa thitima ni cia bata muno mwena uyu wa kaunti no ate itikoretwe ikigairwa mbia mbiganu kuma thirikari cia kaunti cia ambiririe na uguo twa mucenjiu nginyagia riu rungu rwa wathani muceru wa gavana Cecily Mbarire.
Mirandi tigano ngana thibitari na kwiroretwe mirandi ya gwetu rekorwo ya maana muno kindu ta manji kindu ta barabara tindorie gutiri tondu tarua kwa ni kindu ta manji gutiwa na project imwe tungiuga ni gavana no raretire na ku akwa ni thibitari still thibitari ya ndori ya gwetu ni mwetu ya kiritiri yusi ingicionti out of 6 facilities cia wondi yakwa gutiri ngimbe mbia.
Mwenari wake gavana Mbarire ni urauga kigina kinene kithiete mirandi ire ya kaunti ngima no ateti ya miena imwe ta uria andu mareciriria na uguo mirandi ino ikaguna ekari onthe a kaunti ya Embu wa kuria mari.
The mistake that was made is that even projects that were beneficial to the entire county and therefore happened to have been physically located at the county headquarters, whoever was analyzing decided those projects only benefit certain parts of the county. But when you put money in level 5 hospital, when you put money in a bus stop in Embu town where matatus from Runyenjes, from Keretire, from Ishiara operate from, you are therefore supporting the entire county. That same bus stop will help us collect revenue from those matatu operators because they had refused to pay revenue because they were working in a very bad place. Now, how can you claim that project is only beneficial to one sub-county and not the other?
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.